a to the power 32 is equal to 2 to the power a. Find the value of a. So if we raise both the sides, to the power of 1 upon 32a. In that way we can remove 32 from left hand side and a from right hand side, so that we can get numbers to one side and variables to one side. So a to the power 32 whole to the power 1 upon 32a is equal to 2 to the power a raised to the power of 1 upon 32a. When a to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. So this will be a to the power 32 times 1 upon 32a is equal to 2 to the power a times 1 upon 32a. Remove 32 and 32 from left hand side and a from right hand side. So it is a to the power 1 upon a is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon 32, or a to the power 1 upon a is equal to 2 to the power 1 upon 32. It is equivalent to 2 upon 64, because if we multiply and divide it by 2, there is no change in this fraction. It is equal to 1 upon 32, 2 upon 64. So we can write it as 2 upon 64 in the exponent, or this we can also write it as 2 times 1 upon 64, or a to the power 1 upon a is equal to 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 upon 64. Now 2 to the power 2 is 4, so we can write 4 here, and 1 upon 64 we can write it as 2 to the power 1 upon 28, equivalent to 1 upon 64. Again a to the power 1 upon a, this we can write 4 to the power 2 raised to the power of 1 upon 128, or a raised to the power of 1 upon a is equal to 16 raised to the power of 1 upon 128, or this we can write it as 2 upon 2. If we divide and multiply it, then it becomes 2 upon 256, or this we can write a raised to the power of 1 upon a is equal to 16 raised to the power of 2 whole raised to the power of 256, or it is a raised to the power of 1 upon a is equal to 16 square is 256 raised to the power of 1 upon 256. Now this is in the form of a to the power a is equal to b to the power b. In that case we know it is a equal to b. That means 1 upon a is equal to 1 upon 256, or a is equal to 256. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.